Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add blob shape image in your WordPress website. So guys, here you can see this is my demo website and I have installed Divi WordPress theme. Let me log in, and after that in the dashboard here you can see plugin sections. Now we can upload the plugin file. Make sure that you have got this plugin Divi SuperMe Pro. After that we can upload the plugin file. So let me select plugin file from here, and after that make sure that plugin file is in zip format, otherwise you can get error during plugin installation, and after that it will take just a minute to upload that plugin file. So if you want to get any of the service, you can contact me at WhatsApp as well as email. Okay guys, let's wait for plugin file to upload. Okay, plugin is installed. Now let's activate the plugin. Then here we can install this light version of plugin, then activate. Now let's go back to the pages, and here you can view this page on the front side. Then just enable Divi Fuel Builder. Now guys, you can see Divi Builder is loading. After that we will be able to edit any of the section in our website. Now let's scroll down and let's find now let's find blue icon to add a new regular section. Click here, then select a regular section. Then here we can select a row, and here I can add a new module, search for blob shape. So guys, this is Divi SuperMe module. Just install, add it, and after that here we can add image. Just you can upload an image file from your laptop. And here you can see image is uploaded. Then we can select this image. Now let's scroll down, and here you can change the shape. So these are various shapes that are given. You can select any of that. Then overlay content, you can also add some content on the image. Then go to design tab. Then here you can customize image. You can also increase or decrease image height, image width. Then here you can see on the top there is some content that you can replace with your own content. Then go to design tab. Then here you can see overlay option. Just you can add some overlay. Then here you can select a color. Then here we can decrease its opacity so that we can see here text in the clear form. Then here you can also see various other options, and you can add some animation. You can also add border and various other basic options. Then click on three dots and save it.